there, welcome to my video. This is Rhonda Reiter, and I'm just shooting a short video because you are looking for a way to create a signature for your, whether it could be email signature or for your blog or anywhere where you want to put your signature in more of a writing mode versus a text. So first of all, I'm at Google, so I'm just going to go to it's called mylivesignature.com. And you go there. Of course, my system's slow. Now, if you haven't registered yet, you just click here to register, go through the steps to register. They're pretty standard. I'm just going to log in. And with my username and password. So they've added a lot of links you can go to. These are just this will just take you somewhere else. I'm just going to do a basic signature. There's a lot of little things you can play around with. First of all, so right now I'm on, you got home, your signatures you've created, when you're creating the signatures, and when you go to use the signatures. That's all we're going to work on today. As you can see, I have quite a few different signatures. I kind of recommend sticking kind of the same type of signature for branding. These were more or less for experimenting. So first of all, we're going to go create a new signature. And what I recommend to start off with, we're going to go through the signature wizard. It's really quick and easy. You can play with this other stuff at another time if you wish, but we're going to go through the wizard. So click on the signature wizard and type in what you want yours to be. I go by put my middle initial. You just hit next step, and then you decide. There's all these different fonts you can decide from. I've been using this same one here. I'm just going to switch it up a bit here. Let me see. I'm going to try. Let's try this one. And then you just choose your fonts, next step. And you choose your size for whatever you want to use it for, of course. I'm just going to make it a little, I like to have a smaller size, so I'm going to just go to size 2, click on that, scroll to the bottom, next step. Then here you can choose a color of your signature. Now this one is the background, so if you put a signature in there, it's going to be like a little box background. I kind of like to keep it plain like that, but if you want to change the color of your signature, you just click on the second box where it says text color. Now this is the range, so if you see these little arrows out here, this is where it's going to change the range. So if you kind of want this type of color with different lightness or darkness, you can keep it here. My theme right now is blue, so I'm going to go down to the blue, and then you can put a little X, and you can, as you can see, the numbers change to how you want what you want your signature to look like. So I'm just going to stick it right there, and then you just close window, and you look here. See, now I have this blue signature. And if it hasn't changed, just click here to refresh it, and you're all good. So next step, you can play around with that as well. Now you can change the slope of your signature. There's some weird, really wide angle ones. I've tried some of these ones. I don't really like them, but that's up to you. I prefer the actual plain slope number 1, just right across the board. So that's number 1 is what I choose. So then next step. Okay, so this is where you name it. Like, say you have a specific signature you want to use for your blog or an email signature. You can, however you want to name it. Maybe you have a specific one you use for Facebook signatures or what have you. So I'm just going to put this for email signature. Oops, I already had one previously. And then you hit finish. So now your signature is ready, and you can see it right there. Scroll down. Okay. Oh, this page hadn't loaded up. And there's some fancy stuff you can do afterwards, but here's a signature. Now all I really want to do today is put it into my email. Now there's other ways you can do it. There's Y stamp you can use. I'm just going to use HTML. It's pretty simple. So you go to where you see use signatures. And here I'm going to click on generate HTML code. So anywhere where you need to put in, if you're using text with HTML, this is where this would work good. And then you just put in at the top here, generate a code for your handwritten signature. So you click on that. And it's going to come up with a box. But as you can see here, there's a drop-down box. And here's the names of all the different signatures that you named. So I named mine, okay, so I had two different ones because I didn't realize they're going to do that. So anyway, I'm going to go to email signature. So there's the email one that I used. And then you go down a little bit more and you go generate code. So you have now you have the HTML code that you can copy and paste into wherever you're going to paste it. I'm going to do this into one of my email broadcasts in my Aweber account. Like I said, you can put this in your blog, HTML post. There's anywhere that will allow it. You can do it there too. So I'm going to take this code. I'm just going to copy it. And I'm going to go back to my Aweber account where I already have a signature, email written up. And I'm on the HTML message. There's plain text messages you can send out or HTML. I'm on the HTML message. Now here is most of my email that I'm sending out, and I want this to go at the bottom here. So you see at the bottom of this, you see design, source, and preview. I'm just going to hit on source so it gets me into HTML mode, and I'm going to enter it. I'm going to paste it here. So I pasted that code. I'm going to go back to design, and now you can see there is my signature. And then I'm going to finish it off with my and that is it. So I now have this. Now if you're going to use this a lot, you might just want to have a text document where or wherever you want to save this, so you don't have to go into your live signature each time, and you can just put it in there. You can also set up something else called Y stamp, but that's another video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you got some value out of that, and have a great day, and we'll talk again. Oh, click on my link below, join my fan page, connect with me on my blog, and we'll see you again. Bye now.